Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to give you my first impression and overview of Frooti and also the review of it. So without wasting much time, let's start. Before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, this is the Tetra pack of Frooti. As you guys can see, on the front side of the packaging, they have clearly given the name Frooti Mango Drink. Also, they have given the company name, that is Parle Agro. Now coming to the left side, we can clearly see that they have given the green dot over here, which clearly means that this is a vegetarian drink. Also, they have clearly given over here ready to serve fruits beverage contains fruit. They have also given the ingredients, that is water, mango pulp that is 19.5%, sugar acidity regulators, then antioxidants. It also contains permitted synthetic food color and added flavor. They have also given the nutritional information, that is energy 65 kcal, added sugar 13.3 grams, fats 0 gram, protein 0 gram, carbohydrate 16.2 grams, A 120 mcg, natural fruit sugars 2.5 gram, and calcium 8 mg. Clearly mentioned over here that no added preservatives. Also, they have mentioned that tastes best when chilled. So this means that when this drink is chilled, it tastes much better than you have it normally. Also, they have mentioned that best before 6 months from manufacturing date. They have mentioned that store away from sunlight. Do not buy if the pack is puffered or leaking. Let's see what is there on the right side. On the right side, they have mentioned that manufactured by Parle Agro Private Limited of Western Express Highway, Sahar Chakla Road, Parivasada, Andheri East, Mumbai. Also, they have given the other manufacturers' names. They have also given their toll-free number. They have mentioned that call us on 1800 266 4448. They have also given their email ID and their website address. At the bottom, we can see the barcode. Now let's see what is there on the top side. On the top side, they have clearly mentioned that net quantity 150 ml. For rupees 10, you get 150 ml. They have also given the manufacturing date, that is 12/07/21, along with the batch number, and they have mentioned the MRP rupees 10. On this side of the packaging, they have given the straw over here. This is directly competing with the Maaza Tetra pack. Advantage of using this Tetra pack is that you can carry it anywhere. When you have any parties or when you are traveling out for picnics or any other events, you can easily take this in your pocket. It directly fits in your jeans pocket. Now let me try this pack and tell my feedback about this Frooti to you. This is how the straw packaging is. I will have a sip and will tell you my feedback about this Frooti. Guys, taste wise, it is really good. It also has that sugar flavor to it. And it is much better than its competitors, which also offer similar product in rupees 10 price bracket. So guys, this is one of the best products from the manufacturer Parle Agro. I will give a thumbs up for this pack. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. If you have any feedback, if you have any thought or feedback, then leave it in the comment section below. I will surely make time to answer them. Also, before ending this video, I would like to inform you guys that we are a community, and to support this community we need subscribers. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.